Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Jay Smith. And if you guys don't know who he is, Jay Smith is a Jamaican that was featured on TLC's 90 Day Fiance, and I've been keeping up to date with this case. So we have a update, and it is pretty good in his favor. So let's get into the article. It says 90 Day Fiance Jay Smith was released from Immigration and Customs Enforcement Detention Center on Wednesday, according to multiple reports. His release was documented by his alleged girlfriend, who shared a video of the couple embracing after he exited the facility, according to E! News. It was later confirmed on his page created by a friend. A rep for his estranged wife, Ashley Martin, confirmed the news to US Weekly, saying, "During this very shocking time, we want to wish Jay and his family the best. My client is focused on her kids and what to come of her career. We thank the fans and the 90 Day Fiance audience for being so considerate and understanding." The reality star was being held in ICE custody in Pennsylvania after he was arrested for violating a protection from abuse order, according to Upper Allen Police Department, at the time of his initial arrest. And if you guys didn't know, McMills was also placed in that same facility that Jay was in. Smith was served with a protection from abuse order on July 1st, the Cumberland Sheriff Office confirmed to Radar Online. On July 3rd, he was taken to York County Prison in Pennsylvania. Martin alleged in an interview with Celeb Buzz that while she was on vacation, Smith broke into her home. After calling the police, they instructed her to file a PFA. According to the outlet, under the order, Smith was not allowed to post on social media about Martin or the PFA, but he allegedly did just that the next day. And the post that he posted on Instagram was that he was going to expose Ashley for who she really is, and it's alleged that actually Ashley do not have lupus, and that is one of her big storyline. That is what is giving her fame. That's what she's going to places to talk about. So that would have hurt her pockets and hurt her lifestyle if Jay had actually came out and exposed her. According to the outlet, officers saw that Smith had violated the document by posting on social media and notified Martin that there was a warrant out for his arrest. Smith reportedly told authorities he would turn himself in. "The officer called me at 1:30 this morning and said that he finally had turned himself in," Martin said. While in custody, Smith's friend started a GoFundMe page in hopes of obtaining a lawyer to help him secure his release from the ICE detention center. Smith, a Jamaican native, was facing deportation with his arrest. Martin told Celeb Buzz at the time, "I filed for his green card and then I retracted it because he cheated on me again." Martin and Smith starred in the season 6 of the TLC. I don't know why I can't talk today. Martin and Smith starred in the 6th season of the TLC show. While in Jamaica for a wedding, Martin met Smith at a club with a few of her girlfriends. Though she didn't expect to hear from him again, he tracked her down via social media and proposed 6 months later when she returned to visit him. In January, the reality TV star reportedly filed for a divorce from Smith after 8 months of marriage. However, less than 2 weeks after filing, Martin withdrew the paperwork. In April, Martin filed for a divorce from Smith for the second time. Later, she seemingly confirmed the split news by posting a headline about the divorce on her Instagram story. So, Jay is out of ICE detention center. I think that's a good look for him, and it also give other people in ICE detention center or have immigration issues hope that there is light at the end of the tunnel. And actually was very quick a few weeks ago to say that they're actually going to deport Jay. So when she see that Jay is not going to be deported, I wonder what her thoughts are going to be, because she said she refused to sponsor Jay a visa, so therefore they're going to deport him. I'm thinking his alleged girlfriend, which is Kayla, which they said Smith allegedly cheated on Ashley with for the second time, and that's why she actually filed the divorce. I think Kayla actually sponsored, I could be wrong, this is just my theory, I think Kayla actually sponsored Jay's visa, and that's why he's allowed to stay here. Or if Kayla didn't do it, I think his mom actually sponsored his visa, because quite as kept, Jay's mom allegedly was supposed to file for him before he got married to Ashley. So it's my theory that one out of the two sponsored his visa, and based on what Ashley said a few weeks prior, if someone sponsored his visa he would be able to say, but she's refusing. I think that is actually what happens, and now he has $5,000, or I think he passed his GoFundMe mark, because people actually supported and contributed, so he will be okay as far as monetary support is concerned. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and it shows all it is not lost as far as immigration is concerned. I know a lot of people is wishing him bad and saying that he should be deported and stuff, but he is young and he made a mistake, and I'm happy to see he's not going to pay for it for the rest of his life, because we all make mistakes. The only difference is we did not make it on national television, and that was his biggest mistake of them all. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.